Domestic disturbances collide with diplomatic tensions in the second season of Amazon Prime Video's The Family Man, a snappy but slighter follow-up to 2019's terrific Season 1. Manoj Bajpayee returns as Shrikant Tiwari, and we catch up with him as he tries to assimilate into a life of corporate drudgery. Saving the world, as his buddy JK tells him in an early scene, is no longer his job. But when his marriage starts crumbling, Shrikant gravitates towards the only safety blanket that he can think of: his old gig as a spy at a top secret government facility. But this time, the stakes are personal. Shrikant is caught in a web of geopolitical intrigue when a group of Sri Lankan Tamil rebels concocts a plan to assassinate the Prime Minister of India and uses his teenage daughter as bait to get him out of the way. In Season 2, creators Raj Nidimoru and Krishna DK tackle a global conflict through a humanist lens. At the center of this experiment is Raji, an indoctrinated rebel soldier tasked with carrying out the assassination. Raji is a fascinating character, played with great confidence by Samantha Akineni. Granted, she's been slapped with a thick layer of brown face, but the actor relies on the physicality of Raji than more traditional tools, such as words and facial expressions. Notice a change in her body language as she transforms from a demure young woman into a lethal killer in the span of virtually a couple of minutes. As dependably formidable as Manoj Bajpayee is, Samantha more than holds her own as the show's primary villain. What makes The Family Man so compelling is that the characters in the show aren't motivated by requirements of the plot, but personal goals instead. In that regard, Raji is a textbook villain. Brainwashed as she might be, she is driven mainly by a desire to right the wrongs of her past. It's a misplaced sense of righteousness, but as they say, the best villains are heroes in their own mind. Shrikant understands this as he navigates another complicated political situation, armed as always with the belief that governments come and go, sentiments fluctuate, but people are people. It's almost a given at this point that every mainstream series produced in India will invite some form of backlash or another. Although for the life of me, I can't tell what the fuss is about this time. While Tandav had only itself to blame for the insanity that followed its release, The Family Man has wit and intelligence to spare. If you shut up and do your job, you'll win a medal, a self-aware Shrikant says, for dropping the punchline. If you voice your opinion, you'll go to hell. In this regard, The Family Man is an equal opportunity offender. It wants to stress that terrorism isn't limited to one particular community, but can't seem to resist the temptation of putting militant-minded Muslims in antagonistic roles. But what sets The Family Man apart from dozens of other more popular streaming series is the playful tone that Raj and DK bring to the party. Who doesn't enjoy the antics of JK, who after a particularly memorable foot chase asks a gruff colleague to rub some ointment on its back? Or another scene in which Shrikant's daughter interrupts an emotional moment to ask the meaning of a Hindi word. Fans will also be pleased to learn that Raj and DK's fascination with single-take set pieces remains intact in Season 2 as well. The first is a jailbreak sequence in which the camera glides up and down staircases and in and out of hallways. But the showstopper is the shootout and subsequent chase at the very end of episode 9. The less I reveal about it, the better. But it's so thrillingly crafted that you'll happily ignore some glaring shortcomings in the CGI department. But that's true of the show itself. Season 2 of The Family Man doesn't reinvent the wheel like Sacred Games did in its sophomore season, but neither does it rest on its laurels. It's breezily paced, impeccably acted, and charmingly unrefined.